Welcome to, well, that could be James. Welcome to Hinksey Sidings footbridge, commonly known as the Devil's Dyke, and it drops down and goes over the Thames over there. And but yeah, this could be James. So oops, sorry. Not a camera's quite zoomed in, so it only needs to be slightly off focus, and it'll mess the shot. Oh yeah, got kids coming there. The kids like trains. Oh, and yeah, choo choo. Yeah. I'll talk to these people. Try and zoom in a bit, and. I think the one behind is being driven by my son, so we'll see. He's actually stopping here. He's oh, train, you might get a beep. Oh, another one there. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. And, oh, that's a bit of fun. But yeah, there's just two locos apparently, and they're due any moment. So see if I can get a better view. Mechanical diggers. Yeah, Komatsu. But yeah, I think this is James. That could be a Class 66. So yeah, that'll be him in the distance. It's not going fast, and I'm not aiming the camera properly yet. I'm always doing that. And let's see what happens. There's that family still that I was talking to. It's yeah, it's. I got here in good time because it's the first time I've been up here, and I didn't know what the parking situation is like and whatnot, and so yeah, definitely taking his time. I see the white lights in the distance, and well, the yard lights have just come on, so that's fun. So, is that James? He's certainly announcing his presence. And but he's actually pulling into these sidings. He's not going through. And obviously those lines there to the are right on the through lines. So but he looks like he's on the through line, that white in the distance. So unless he crosses points, he's going to end up going past us. So, but the lack of speed would make me tend to think that he's actually stopping here, so it could well be James. I'm expecting him to cross over the point. Interesting yard, this. It's right on top of Oxford. You wouldn't think it was here. But, yeah, I think those lights are moving across now. And, yeah, I think he's moving over. I think... he's not on the running line. No, there he goes. He's moving over again. Yeah. Yeah, he's coming down straight under us. Yeah, that's almost certainly him. And creeping in. Let's zoom out a bit. Yeah, he can't cross onto this one. Yeah, I'm guessing that's him. Got a whole crowd. I think when they're stopping, the yard limit's like 15 miles an hour, so they don't race around. And I think by the rumble of the engine, that's a Class 66. And there he is. There you go, I think that's him. Yeah. Definitely. And you know what else? He's got the cab light on so he can see him. That's him. That's James. Yeah, he left the light on in the cab so I can... There he goes. Yeah, well, really. A pair of Class 66 locos. And yeah, toot. And that was fun. And stink of diesel fumes. Right, so there he goes. Oh, I see a railway worker on the side there. I think they manually switched points. Yeah, they have a situation here where the main line, the points, are operated at the control centre. When they get into these little yards, they once they're about to enter the yard, all the points, all the track switches are operated by personnel on the ground. Very often by the train driver himself. He just hops out and swaps the levers over. Okay. Right. Yeah, that's my son in that, so I'm taking pictures of it. Yeah, that was him getting the whole hooty tooty bit. Oh, look at that. Let's all go. Yeah, and you know where they're going down into the water. I think I catch them landing. Gone behind. Oh, there you go. Oh, doggy. Oh, doggy, whoops. Stop in front of me. There you go. Oh, trundle. Well, I think that's it. And woohoo! Nice atmospheric shot. I got up to see James out at Didcot at 5 o'clock in the morning, and I thought it was nuts. It was foggy. I thought, what are you doing train spotting night time with bloody fog? Turned out to be really atmospheric. But yeah, I can see him getting off the train now, walking across with his bag. Might be coming down here actually. But the trouble is, this bridge doesn't give access to the railway, so. Yeah, I'll come off the phone now, I think. End on an atmospheric shot, yeah. Komatsu diggers.